Give me about 97 seconds of your time. I want to share a piece of information and a valuable tip that I truly believe. In fact, I'll guarantee that it can revolutionize the way you do business. I know a lot of you watch videos like this very frequently, probably from guys just like me. They're all excited, they're all hyped, they promise you the world, and they give you a sales pitch without giving you any information. What if I, number one, didn't do a sales pitch at all, and number two, actually gave you something? Would that be valuable to you? Cool, here we go. Say these exact words, this specific phrase, if you wish to obtain more phone numbers, whatever reason you're trying to get that phone number for. Here we go. Let's exchange information. Say those three words and then hand them your phone. Most people are hardwired to say no if someone asks for their phone number. Or, in fact, you're just a little bit scared and worried and cautious because it's your phone number, right? That's private. That's something that you hold dear and close. You don't want just random people blowing up your phone the whole time. However, most humans right now are not predisposed to be able to say no to that particular request. So sure, this might work for the next 2 decades and after that stop working, but for the next 20 years, let's get a lot of phone numbers. The point is, we think subconsciously when someone says, let's exchange information, that we're actually getting something back in return. Granted, they might give you an email, they might give you a phone number, but you have ways of now contacting and reaching out to this particular person that you might not have had before. I hope this is helpful and beneficial. If you think it was, please like my page. I really appreciate it. I have created a lot of content in the past, and I'm going to keep creating content in the future that enriches your life. Thank you for watching. You rock. And until next time, love life, and trade it. Bye.